mid-size sedan in America. Yes, we speak car, and apparently quite well. Future is now Motor Trend's 2010 Car of the Year. Get in and drive one.
You know, I sell tools. Tools aren't complicated. Nothing complicated about a pair of 10-inch hose clamp pliers. You know what's complicated? Shipping. Shipping's complicated. Not really. With priority mail flat rate boxes from the Postal Service, shipping is easy. If it fits, it ships. Anywhere in the country for a low flat rate. That's not complicated.
Remember a long time ago that one lady gave her kid a bunch of medicine?
All right.
Cold medicine?
Mail flat rate boxes. Only from the Postal Service. A simpler way to ship.
Mommy!
Star Trek today. It's an attack.
Hi, Mommy!
Movies of the year. We're going down.
Filming his snoring.
This week, it's on with Natalie Portman, Zac Efron, Rihanna, and a special appearance by James Bond. Plus, Monday,
Hi, Coop.